there are two important aspects to this. I think that first, you need to have greater involvement of genuinely independent scientists. And it's not strictly limited to, say, the biologists that are interested in creating or deploying gene drives, but everyone that's in related fields has expertise in biodiversity that might be impacted by them. So first of all, you need to have a genuinely representative and genuinely independent and high integrity sort of scientific input into this, not folks that have things at stake. They can have their say, but it needs to be balanced with people that don't have any skin in the game, who are going to offer their genuine opinion as scientists. And I think that even more importantly than that, you need to have the broadest swath of people that are potentially impacted by this at the table, because you are dealing with organisms that, by design or by accident, have the potential to spread globally, or really into any environment where the organism is capable of surviving. And that means that the initial release may occur in one part of the world, but it may wind up in another. And it may have very deleterious effects for biodiversity in another, and that may be on the lands of indigenous people. It will be potentially in a different country than where it was released. So really recognizing and coming to terms with the potentially global impacts of these organisms is necessary, because if you have the consent of the people in the immediate zone where it's released, that doesn't necessarily mean a lot if you have no means by which to control the organism from spreading much more widely and impacting much more people. So the proper process kind of looks like a rainbow, right? You got everybody at the table, because as a sort of technological reality, you can't say that these organisms are going to stay in one place and it's only a discrete subset of people whose consent and participation you need. That's simply just an inaccurate representation of what these things are.